Hello everyone, now I'm starting this vlog instead of my friend, and you can see we get this room, and this is the entry, and you can see this is the almirah. It's a first class almirah, and these are some teas, coffee that we can make. This is the washroom. You can see there is a bathtub over there, and this is a TV, and these are some dining table. These are the kits that we got from the Alstom company, and these are the water bottles. This is bed, and there is a central AC which circulating the air around the full hotel. And this is my friend.
Hi, hello.
Asutosh Kumar Tiwari. Say something about the hotel and your experience.
Yeah, Virendra, first of all, thank you so much for Alstom team for very smooth process. And me and my friends Virendra both have completed registration process, and we got this welcome kit. This welcome kit for Viren Kumar, and this welcome kit is for me. And we are both are very excited to open it
This.
See what products they give us, and definitely I think this is laptop.
Yeah, there would be a laptop, I think.
No, this
I
is
guess.
laptop.
This is a laptop.
Yeah, this is laptop, and this one will be our
Trolley.
In this handbag, it may be.
There are some t-shirts.
T-shirts. No, it's bottle. It's bottles. So this is.
This is the water bottle.
Water bottle. So it's very nice.
And
so this is water bottle. You can see this is water bottle, and inside this handbag. This is diary. This is diary from Alstom, and also we get. I think this is pen, right? Yeah, this is pen. So we are opening this laptop bag. In this laptop bag, first we got ID card. This is ID card. This is ID card, and now I'm opening this bag. So
yeah, there is a laptop.
This is laptop. This is laptop, HP laptop. So this is laptop, and this is mouse.
There is a mouse.
Yeah, this is mouse.
And there would be a charger also.
Yeah, this is charger. And let's see.
We can also check is there any
No. I
thing
think
left.
no. It's completed. So let me chances from here.
No, there is nothing.
So we are opening this now. Also, this is trolley bag. This is trolley bag. So this is trolley bag. Also
Can you open this?
Yeah.
Trolley? You can check how much space does this trolley.
So inside trolley bag,
There are two t-shirts.
These are two t-shirts. These are two t-shirts. So this is welcome kit.
There is a Alstom printed on both of the shirts.
Yeah. So
This is American Tourister company bag, and outside of the room you can see there is a hotel.
outside
Harmon,
location is very nice.
and
It is
there is a metro line. You can also see.
nearby it is metro railway track. Outside location is very good.